Okay, so let's see, where did I leave off with the cold water? Looks like I left off with the cold water. Yeah. Okay. So I think that, so the cold water comes up from the first floor. Let's get a good look at that. Let's go here, bring this down, rotate, and place the center here, and go counterclockwise 90. Okay, and I'm sure it comes up about right there. Right click, go to view. Yeah. Okay, so this is the first floor. It's in the ceiling at 10'6". 10'6", first level, 10'6", yes. Okay, it comes up through the floor, goes up into the ceiling. Looks like I'm gonna put a T here. Okay, let's go back. Where am I? That's the plot file. That is the plot file, and I think that I'm going to, let's go here. I need to align. So the cold water is coming off the water closet, and I need to align, which is modify, align pipe, one pipe to the other, and they should both be at 10'6". 10'6", just checking, 10'6", and so I can fill it, these two. Okay, so here, and it continues. Looks like I'm connecting these two in my shower, going over to my toilet, and I need to connect my 3/4 inch, half inch. Yeah, I don't know any other way I can tie into these two, because I don't want to make a cross here. So okay, well, I'm just gonna have to offset this guy, and they can be 3/4 inch at this point. I think I'm gonna change this to a 3/4. What is that, a half inch to a 2 inch? Do they make that? Half inch to a 2 inch. I don't know if they make that. Let me see. Okay, so I'm looking in this NABCO catalog, and I'm looking for a 2 by 1/2 inch. 2 by 1/2. 2 by 1/2. Go back. 2 by 1/2. Here it is. Okay. So there's a 2 by 1/2. Okay. That's a copper fitting. Okay. Just in case you guys are using, if you're going to use copper. Can you use PVC hot water? Or you can use PVC cold water. So, okay, let's just assume there's going to be copper pipe. So I'm going to go back and bring up, yeah, so there's a 1/2 inch. Just checking. So we go here, draw our pipe. I'm going to come down just a little bit. Let's offset that and connect. And connect here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 connections. So in my section, I should have my fixture units. Oh, here we go. We need to connect. Let's connect the T here looking at a section, and that, looking at the top view, that was this connection. So if I highlight that and go back to the section, that's the T that I just selected. And so my fixture units should be in here as a number. Fixture units. Yeah, okay. So there's 26 fixture units. And 26 fixture units, let's look at plumbing code. Let's go back to let me go here. Pause, resume. Okay, let's see, how am I doing here? Okay, so let's look at the plumbing code. That was 26 fixture units, correct? 26 fixture units for cold water. So we go 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 25. Cold water is about 37 GPM, right? 37, and we go to our chart. 37 is about right here. So we go horizontal to the left and keep it within 7, let's say 7 feet per second. 5 to 8 is the max. Minimum is 5, maximum is 8. So at 7, 37, so it's about right in here. 7. So a 2-inch, I'll go 2-inch to be non-conservative or liberal. So let's be a little liberal about it, just in case there's a future connection. So a 1.5 would be okay, but let's just be think ahead and use a 2-inch. So let's go back and look at what I have. Okay, good. So that's a 2-inch. All right. 2-inch. So that is that, I think, for the cold water. Now for the hot water, I'd like to come up. See, hot water is gonna feed these 3, 4, 5, 6. So hot water is in the same. Let's bring it up anywhere along here. What I can do is let's rotate. And I think that what I'm gonna do is copy and change the system. Change to hot water. Domestic hot water. Let's see. I'm getting ready to get lost. Okay, but I wanted to go over a little more. Let's go over here because there's too much going on in this T in the construction, so I don't want to mess with that. So you want to bring it over just a little bit because there's a lot of construction going on in this area, so you want to make it as clean as possible. So let's rotate. Let me make some adjustments here. 90 degrees counterclockwise. And let's look at our piping. Okay. And the hot water in the ceiling space is going to be 10'8". Let's go here. I think I might need, the hot water is not going to be that much. I'm going to change that from a 2-inch to 1.5. Let's see what happens. And it's going to be 10 foot 8. 10 foot 8 in the first level. So you have to change in the reference level so that these numbers come out okay. I don't know why it's making that noise. Why is it making that noise? Let's go here. 10 foot 8. Let's go 10 foot 8, right? 10 foot 8, okay. And the same second level. Let's go here. I think I'm coming out that way. I need a T. Yeah, because I'm going to get both, well, the 2 lavatories and the 1 shower. And that is 10 foot 8. Let's go 10 foot space 8. Okay. I think I can bring that T up now. Let's go here, yeah. And let's go to the overall. Yeah, that looks good. So the hot water is coming off of the shower. Nope. Okay. Hot water 3/4 inch. Connector. I don't want that. Let's go here and draw a pipe. Is that going to make a difference? Why? What about here? I guess I'm going to choose, that's hot water, because I know the one on the left is a hot water return. Connector 3 and 5 flow in. Okay, whatever, dude. Let's go here. That's fine. Let's just see what it is. Okay, that's good. No slope, right? Yeah. Domestic hot water. That's fine. I'm gonna draw a construction. Let's just drag it and see what happens. Drag it back here. Now I need to go up in the ceiling. 10 foot 8. Draw a pipe. 10 foot space 8. And we continue. Let's see. I think that I'm gonna come up from my lavatory and connect into that guy. So here, man, okay, no, here, and we can go, let's go out just a little bit. And let's go 10 space 8. Okay. And what I'm going to do, let's okay. I need to go into, let's go 3D. Let's look at this in another view. 3D. Okay, and where is it? I think it is, where am I? Okay, I'm here. This one. So I think that I'm going to erase this one and this one. So that should get me, wait a minute. Yeah, go back. Because I need to align those two. And I need that pipe as a reference. So when I get ready to align it, align, pipe, pipe. Okay, now go back and erase, tab, tab. Uh-oh. Let's see, maybe I can grab it like this. Yeah, okay. Erase this elbow. Okay, and now I think that I can, yeah, I can connect this pipe with that pipe as a fitting. Okay, you see that? And now let's go back over. So we've got those two connected. So I'll come up in the wall and hot water. Let's see. I guess I can, because it's on the other side. I guess, man, oh man. Nope. Let's do this. And hot water. Go here in the ceiling space. And we can come up 10'8", 1/2, 1 1/2, connect. Yeah, that's fine. So I need to reduce this. I want this to be 3/4 inch. Yeah, that's right. Let's reduce this to a 3/4 inch. 3/4 inch. Okay, so this is reducing. Should I let it run a little bit and then make a reducer in here? I guess it depends on the engineer. I don't like this fitting in particular. I don't like that. Yeah, let's let it run a little bit. So you come over, let's go back. I don't know what I was just thinking. After what I just said, didn't make any sense. Let's go back and reduce this guy to 3/4 inch. 3/4 inch. It's not going to pick up the other pipe. Okay. Ooh, that don't look good at all. But who's counting, right? Who's counting? So we want one pipe to align with the other. And we can fill it. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. So I think it might be too big. Maybe a 1 inch is probably better. So that's going to be a 1 inch. I think I'm going to change all of this to a 1 inch. Can I do that? What about here? 1 inch? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I like that better. Yeah, that looks good. So we can, because the pipe is over here, and we want to keep in mind that we need to hang the pipe, right? So I'm going to turn this 1 inch over. I'm going to turn it here so that somehow we get close to the vent. We go over here, and maybe the hot water's on that side, but it's higher, so that's okay. Somewhere in here. Okay, so they can hang it. Okay, just kind of keep that in mind when you're doing piping as much as you can. The contractor might change it, who knows, but it looks better. What do we got on time? Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is let's minimize. Let's see how fast I can do this. So we got hot water. Okay, I don't know why it does that. Trim, control. Bring this out just a little bit and go up in the ceiling at 10 space 8. Come out. Okay, let's reduce this to a 3/4 inch pipe. I don't know what just happened. Okay, let's try it again. And we go here, 3/4 inch. Oh, I think that's what I did. I must have pushed that. I didn't know I did that. 3/4 inch, and we are going to align one pipe to the other and fill it again, and again. That looks good. And one more pipe, or these two guys. Let's see. And the hot water is here. Let's go here. Man, come up. 10, 8. Let's go back over itself and come back over here. Okay, that looks good. And the same thing. Let's see if I can left. Same thing for my hot water, for my last laboratory 10 space. Okay, I'm gonna go in the wall. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'll do it like that. No, I don't want to connect there. But you get the idea. Let's just connect there. Okay, and it looks like we're all connected on the hot water, plumbing. So we are coming up from the first level. That should be a 1 inch, 1.5 inch. I want to change this to a 1 inch. Let's change it to a 1 inch and see what the code says. 1 inch, yeah. And we need fixture units. Fixture units is 6 fixture units. Yeah, 1 inch is good. Okay, so that looks good. Yeah, looks like we're piping it up. That looks good. I like that. Okay. That's weird. What's going on there? Okay, it just need to be reset. Yeah, okay, that looks good. Let's go to our plot file. Second level water, right? Second level water. And this should be, that's my plumbing plot. That should be 1/4 inch. Let's change it to 1/4 inch and medium. Yeah, okay. And from my AutoCAD days, or even later than that, we're gonna put some line types in here. I think that I'm gonna go wireframe. Yeah, wireframe. And last but not least, I need to put a line type on my hot water pipe, and that is a hot water system. So I click here, right click, and change the properties, color from a solid to a double line. Can I expand this? Nope. I can't expand it. Okay. Okay, anyway. Double dash. Double. Okay. And say okay to this. Well, let's see how it looks first. Apply. Wow, that's big. Double. There's no double line. I want to see something a little better than that. Double. Where is it? Dash. Is it up here? Yeah. Double dash. That's 3/8. 1/4. Are there any more scales? Import. There's one. Import this one. Say okay to that and apply. Yeah, that looks better. I like that. Yeah, okay. See my double dash, and single or center line for cold water and double dash for the hot water. And then I can put my text on here, category, 1.5 inch water closet, shower, 3/4 inch domestic, cold water. When I get ready to label, just checking, making sure that everything's cool. Shower, 2 inch, what? Oh, that's cold water, okay. Still, and then it reduces, so I should reduce it back here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's reduce it back there. 1 1/2. Yeah. And now let's fill it here. Okay. Yeah. And just check it one more time. Yeah, 1 1/2 inch cold water. Okay, well, I think that I'm gonna stop there. So I hope that helped, and I will talk to you guys later.